In today's video, we're looking at the game-changing 18-volt drywall cutter from Makita. And according to Maxkil, this is one tool you can't live without.
My favorite tool of all time.
This saw is intended for fast, clean, and accurate cuts in drywall, whether you're doing ceiling vents, light fixtures, or wall outlets, you name it. And if you connect that front port to an M-class or an H-class extractor, you're gonna get almost zero mess as well. And on top of the mess factor, the other really important feature that's easy to overlook is the safety factor this saw provides. If you set the blade accurately to the thickness of the plaster you're cutting, it's very likely there'll be cables on the other side resting on the plaster. If you set that correctly, you're gonna go home in one piece.
But that's a perfect example of why we do it, because it's right in the way. If you were to use the saw, the teeth of the saw will cut onto it. And yeah, to have a close look, it's perfect.
And setting the blade depth is done at the blade install. The blade has markings down the side of it, and you just set those markings to the base of the clamp which holds the blade. And that Allen key for changing the blade is stowed on board for next time. Also stowed on the back of the base plate is a cap for the blade, so you can just protect the blade and your other tools during storage or transport. And this saw is so light and agile, and it needs to be because you're gonna be using it over your head a lot. You're just doing a small cutout and you don't wanna get the vac out of the back of the truck, you just leave the bung in the end of the outlet there, and you can use that box as a catcher for the dust as well. Still, no mess. And when you're starting your cuts, you can plunge with that blade. It's got variable speed control on the trigger as well, just to give you added control. Otherwise, this cutter is really easy to use. You've got a nice open V at the front to follow your line during your cutout, and a nice bright work light as well, so you can see what you're doing. I love it, but tell us what you think about it in the comment section down below. Special shout out to Maxkil for his professional help with this video. If you want an 18-volt drywall cutter for yourself, get one from your local Sydney Tools store in the Makita aisle. You can go to sydneytools.com.au and we'll ship one to you Australia-wide. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.